Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a green day today. Didn't post a video yesterday. I got like a little red day. Just didn't feel like posting it because I feel like nobody really like watching those videos. So stay tuned for this one. Yo, what up, traders? Got the open here. Looking for a little dip back towards these levels here. 882. As you see here on this wick, it pushed up. Didn't hold any prior resistance levels. So I'm looking for a little pullback to this support level here that I drawn pre-market. Got a green day, 3 for 3, and well now I'm 4 for 1. So anyway, I jumped in there at 692, little late entry. It did a bounce, which is okay. I wanted to get in there at 682, but a little 10 cents higher, and then got a nice little rip. I bet $1.33 off 5 shares. Like how I'm doing this too. So now I'm looking for a pullback, and I'm trying. I don't think I'm gonna pull back deep enough, but ideally I would want to pull back to the $9.50 level right here. So just waiting, just being patient. So here we go. So next candle here, right? So now what I'm thinking is, well, excuse me, I want to do that pullback toward the VWAP level. I want to get in 962. I'm gonna get the pullback, but I'm not gonna get in right there. It's gonna be so quick. But that's my thinking now. I have a level here. Okay, I want to buy it here at this VWAP. So just looking for a dip. That's what I was thinking. Looking for a pullback, I should say. Not gonna chase it above 10s. Do you see that wall at 10? See, I tried to get above 10 and got instantly rejected. It's gonna test 10s again. Nope, didn't even get a chance to test before it started pulling away. This candle's too small, which, like, look at the volume on this candle. It's too small for me to trade right now, which is my internet just started acting up, which I probably would have traded, because this is like kind of part of my strategy. Like, I like to trade pullbacks off the previous candle, especially if it's a big long breakout like this with conviction and then the volume is high with it. I usually play a pullback on the next candle. That's what I like to do. My internet started acting up here. I should have edited all this stuff out, man. Sorry. So, see, I missed that pullback because of my damn internet. But anyway, I'm getting a second chance at it because see how the candle just hovering around this level. It's not really moving, not really going below the VWAP. So, you can say I jumped in here for a breakout. I saw that breakout coming. I took a breakout trade, guys. I took a breakout trade. I'm up $2.92 off 5 shares. This is all 5 shares, man. This is all 5 shares. Look at this breakout. Like, look at the axe here. It's gonna start speeding up. It's gonna start speeding up, and the axe gonna start lifting, getting higher. 92, 93, 94, 95, and that's when I jumped in. It just skipped up. Just skipped up. It ain't even went. It just skipped up. So I got in there, got out in 1032. That is a nice fill, man. Nice. So anyway, it's right here, and then like I'm getting better at like incorporating volume into my strategy. Like this pullback, I could have traded this dip here. Actually, I'm sorry. I missed the trade. This is my strategy right here. This dip, I missed this trade here. But look at the volume on this candle, right? The volume on this candle here is low, right? I missed this trade already. So I'm not even looking for an entry on this candle. The next candle is what I'm supposed to be taking an entry on. But I'm not gonna take an entry. I don't want to take an entry on this candle because this volume is low. Like there's no real conviction here. You know what I mean? And it's not even making higher highs anymore. This candle made a higher high, but look how low the volume is here. So I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for a dip trade. I want to take it off $10. I'll explain that better, man. I'm gonna explain that better. But I'm incorporating. I'm reading my volume differently now, I guess. So we're getting that pullback through 10s. I should have took that trade. I should have took that dip trade below 10, but I was a little sketched out because of the volume. So I didn't want to take a trade there. But we're getting a nice little wick rejection right here, the VWAP. That's a nice little wick rejection. So I'm going to take a trade on this candle, but like I said, I got in at 1039, 5 shares. I didn't have much conviction on this stock, on this trade here, because it was acting very heavy, and I felt like I missed this move already. So right here is not the best of trades, but it is going to work out because it's going to actually rip up. I'm at 1039. Push it. Look at the level 2. It's acting heavy, so I'm getting kind of nervous here. But see, the axe is still lifting up. It went to 46. It's at 45. Big wall 50. And like see that you see that, like I sold it there because I was trying to anticipate that breakout and actually get it, but that was weak, man. You see this breakout? Look at this breakout. It's gonna get through 50s here, and then like it broke through 50, but the bids never got there. I don't know what that was. That sketched me out there. That had me a little scared. And then it actually is gonna rip. It's gonna rip, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look where I didn't get out at. I'm saying this is what I'm trying to get better at. I'm trying to get better at holding these positions and catching moves like this. Like I want to catch it like the bottom, man, and capture moves like this. This is what I'm trying to work on here. Catching this shit. Or some of this. Like, I got out too early here, man. So anyway, here, I'm going to take a trade. See, like, this is just not that good. I got in at one of my levels. It's good, but the stock is overextended. Look at this air pocket here. The stock is way overextended. So this is not a good trade. Look at this wicks. Big wicks. And the volume is drying off, too. Even though this is red volume, it's still, the volume is still low. And you got to look at the price action too. Like, yeah, the volume is low here, but look at the price action. Like, you got these wicks here. So that tells me that sellers are in control. The volume is low here because no buyers tried to push it up through here. So that tells me, okay, there's no buyers, there's going to be sellers. So I took a little dip trade here. I was hoping to get a bounce here, but which is my new rule. What I'm doing now is once I feel like I got my wins for the day, a couple of wins, I do my next trade with half the share size. That's how I do now. So I'm jumping in here with 2 shares. And this is going to be a loser trade right here. Look at this trade. I'm going to lose. I'm down $1. I lost 50 cents right there. And I'm still green. So even though I'm not trading a lot of money, you know, 5 shares, 2, 3 shares, this is just getting my mentality right for when I do step up in larger share size. So thank you guys for watching.